Hey friends, this is Jenna with Uncomplicated Kitchen, and today we're going to make a meal that I eat all the time. It's a Mediterranean grain bowl. First thing that you need is about 1 cup of grains. I'm gonna do white rice today, but you could do brown rice, farro, quinoa, you name it, it's basically endless. But we need to make sure that this is slightly warm, so I'm gonna go ahead and microwave this for about 30 seconds. Next, we're gonna add a beautiful rainbow of veggies. So with your impeccably clean hands, about a 1/4 cup of diced cucumber. We're gonna do some green onions because I have them here. Some carrots, some bell pepper, nice and sweet, a little extra. Then we're gonna do a little bit of red onion as well. The more colors you eat, the more nutrients you're getting. Fruits and veggies, of course. Okay, so different color tomatoes I've got. Kalamata olives, if you like. I chop these up. A little bit of feta cheese for some briny, salty creaminess. We're also gonna do nuts or seeds. I'm gonna sprinkle on some roasted sunflower seeds here. Next, we need to add some of our greens. So I'm doing some kale and spinach here. And because these are baby greens, I can just go ahead and tear them right in. Nice handfuls worth is great. Now our garbanzo beans, about 1/3 cup should do it. These are the roasted garbanzo beans that we made in another video, so we're using them here today. Protein and crunch. Some garlic chips, because why not? And then finally, our lemon and honey vinaigrette that we made earlier, right here. And guess what? That's about all there is to it. We're gonna dig in. One of my favorite meals for a reason. Every color of veggie you can imagine. Then we've got that warm rice, those crispy garbanzo beans, and that bright lemony dressing. And honestly, take this to work and you're gonna be the envy of your office. It is so good. I hope you make this sometime. Until next time, bye.